Hello, welcome back to Arma Bricks, and as promised, showing the installation number 2. So it is Elf Club Houses and the Santa. So this is the smallest installation from all of them, but I do like it really much how it went. So what we have here is the original Elf Clubhouse, then the modular Elf house, and there's another alternative of the same building. So basically we have one original and two alternative builds right here. If we look at the back, we do have some action going on right here, some toys. This is closed, so definitely it's a con that you cannot see what is inside. Then what we have here, we have few computers that Elf uses to gather all the lists from the kids in order to make those toys. And we have some things happening right here in the middle. There are three trees, as you would expect from 3 sets, and we have a Santa sleigh with the reindeers that are elevated. It looks like they are flying, and we do have some elves that are with the reindeers and also going there wherever it is needed. So we can see one is lifting off. So yeah, this is quite nice. So I really like how it went up. So let me know what you think in comments below, but I do think that this really brings the Christmas village, elf village vibe into the area. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Just a reminder that this is installation that is with cooperation with LitLug. So it will be displayed in one of the stores here in Lithuania. So I will let you know the details a bit later. So thank you for now, and see you soon with the third installation, which is almost coming there, but more details will come soon. Thank you. See you. Goodbye.